The Frigidaire dryer E64 error code occurs due to a defective heating element or an open heater circuit, with a broken heater circuit or defective heating element being the most common cause. To resolve this issue, it is necessary to test whether the heating element is functional or the circuit is complete. This can be done by turning off the power to the dryer, detaching the vent, and accessing the dryer's back by unscrewing the back panel to locate the heating assembly. The wires connected to the heating assembly should then be tested and detached to check for any visible damage. The heating element, typically located at the back of the dryer housing or beneath the dryer, should be inspected for broken or burnt coils. If broken coils are found, the heating element should be replaced. A multimeter can be used to test the continuity of the coils, with each coil expected to have a reading of 20 to 50 ohms. Any different readings indicate a faulty heating element that requires replacement. If preferred, a professional technician can be contacted to assist with the process.